Hey guys, Matt Guzman here, back with another video, and today's going to be about how to use TubeBuddy to optimize your channel. It says stop wasting time on channel management by optimizing your videos. So when logging into the TubeBuddy site, it brings you to this page where you can link your own accounts on YouTube. So I have my Eagle Scout Matt Guzman, which is my second channel, and then my Matt Guzman, which is my main channel here. So TubeBuddy actually has some tools that you can use to help you tweak your channel a little bit. So stuff like a health report, a launch pad, some comment settings, and main settings. So if I click on the heart here for the health report, it brings me to this page where it gives me a performance update. So I have 99.6 thousand views, 843 subscribers, and 148 uploads. And then there's 11.5k views, 190 subscribers, and this is like how much I'm getting over time. So it gives me like traffic sources on how people are getting onto my channel. There's like YouTube searches, if there's like a thing for a related video, or websites that are getting my channel noticed. It gives me what my engagement for comments, how much my videos are getting shared, and my watch retention rate, which is how long they're staying on the actual video. So this tab that says audience is who's watching my channel. So the demographic gives information, but the device says 60.4% are on a computer, 21.7% are on a TV, 13.1% are on a phone, and 4.22% are on an iPad. And region shows what country they're in. So the United States is a lot with over like 10,000 views. And scrolling down, I'm actually getting a lot of viewers from different regions and different countries. So that's pretty good. And finally, information on the location of playback. So going over to my channel valuation, the valuation is like money-wise, so on a dedicated upload, I should get around $30. Also another feature called the retention analyzer, but that requires a legend to level license, and I only got a free pro license because of the stuff I've been doing. I've been using TubeBuddy a lot. Let's go over to usage statistics. This is actually very helpful. I doubt what it says there in saving over $240,000 is true. I really doubt that's true, but all of this other stuff is like time management and how much TubeBuddy is helping me in optimizing my videos. So there's like stuff like quick link menu. Look down at comment followers or comment filters. There's like 11,000 hours of me that I've saved just by using TubeBuddy. So it's like the different actions that TubeBuddy offers, and it shows how much time I've saved just by using TubeBuddy. So it's actually pretty helpful because it shows you just how useful that this can be. So if you look there, Tag Explorer, look how much time and how much use I've put into it. It's actually really cool and really helpful as well. So now heading over to more options instead of just usage statistics, if I go on the Launchpad dashboard, you can process videos onto the different optimizations that it thinks would be good. So there's upload checklist tasks, and you can select your videos to process on the different tasks that it tells you that you might want to do. So there's stuff in my recent uploads, and you can see that I can actually do a lot more stuff. But I've already done most of the things there. So if you look, there's like stuff like best practices or check tasks, which is stuff I've already done. So it gives me a checklist of what I could do to make them better and how much I've already done on the video. So there it says recently processed videos, and I can choose which other videos I could process to better optimize them. And the cool thing about it is that you can click a video and it can actually have the actions put there for you. So there's like generate upload checklists and run best practice audit. So what I was talking about before with like the best practices that I think would be best for that video. So now that it processes the video, it checks the title, checks the description, looks for keyword targets for tags, and it does all these kinds of cool things, and I don't even have to do it. It also has a feature for a better title, so it says exact match title. It allows to improve the ranking potential of your video to get because of the title, it'll get noticed more. So, are you hacking in Bed Wars? Please Hypixel, don't ban me. So stuff like that. And there's a bunch of other things you can do here as well. There's like a description thing where you can make your description good, and I can check that off now too. Also stuff like a meta tag ritual, which will make it better for your video to show up because of the better tags that it produces. So getting that checked off as well makes your video even more likely to have someone click on it. So all this stuff that I'm checking off, like the official playlist ritual, this is like some of the tasks and best practices that it thinks I should do. So there's stuff like a thumbnail ritual as well, where it has like contrasting colors that pop, border in my design, fewer and bigger words that make it easier to understand what the purpose is. So you can see Minecraft and Hypixel. So anyone that likes Minecraft and Hypixel will see that and probably think it's interesting. There's also YouTube cards, which is those little things in the top right, has an eye that pop up on the video. The tool better links your videos together so it's easier for people to view videos on your channel. Also, adding a YouTube end screen will make it so at the end of a video, it also gives links to more videos from your channel. Then, of course, there's monetizing your videos, which hopefully, if I gain 1,000 subscribers, with the YouTube and TubeBuddy promoting my video with the helpful tips, I should be able to monetize my channel. So all this stuff, I'm able to just easily get it checked off, and it helps with doing something like engagement. So this is like how many people are viewing my channel and watching it, and taking the time to comment, and like how much I'm commenting on them too. And like I was mentioning before with audience retention, it's how long they're watching it, and over time it should get better. And after getting all these complete, it makes it really, really easy for my video to get noticed, or at least it'll make it easier to get noticed. What I was saying before with the title, it appears that it's a little bit too lengthy, so if I just delete some of the words, like going on here, like please Hypixel, I could adjust the letters and see if it saves the changes. Sometimes it'll say it's too long, but now it's saying that it's good. So once that's done, obviously it'll make it better, and hopefully if someone reads the title, they won't just dismiss it. They'll see that it's a pretty good title, good thumbnail, and they'll watch the video. So now that it gives me all the stuff that I've done, that's good. My video is already optimized to the fullest extent. So let's talk about the checklist templates. So if I go on here where it says the templates where you can import, so there's a bunch of these guys that have given templates on a checklist you should do, but I'm going to use TubeBuddy because that's the program I'm using. So there's write a compelling title, enter a complete description, add descriptive tags, create a custom thumbnail, monetize, add info cards, add to playlists, and engage with the video. So going on to another guy, let's go to Roberto Blake. So if I open his, decide how you will upload, descriptions, titles, and tags, custom thumbnails, share videos in social media, use YouTube info cards, add your video to a playlist, and if it helps, use closed captions, monetize your videos, and enable/disable comments. And it says that if you're doing a promo or a demo, you might want to disable comments because it's just a practical thing. But I mean, this is an instructional video, so I don't really want to disable comments. With monetizing your videos on YouTube, this guy also gives information about monetizing your video, where it says it gives you an opportunity to make money that you could invest back into your channel if you want equipment or editing softwares and etc. So going back to more templates, let's go to Brian G. Johnson. So he's really helpful. I've watched a lot of his videos. So he has similar stuff too. Identify YouTube target keywords, exact match description. So that's what I did earlier with showing you the description. Official playlist ritual, meta tag ritual, focus thumbnail ritual. So this is his list of what the different checklists and his priorities would be. And there's like promoting your video, adding the end screen, adding YouTube cards. So it's essentially the same thing, just how you should do it. And he gives information on like what the different steps would, how they'd help you. You can get the TubeBuddy extension on Google Chrome or downloading it from YouTube and using it to your best abilities to make your channel really pop. And just doing the best practices and getting all those checklist things completed really helps your channel grow, because it's been helping mine a lot. And the website's not even like the most it can do. If you download the extension off of Chrome, here I'm looking at my how to use the YouTube analytics video that actually did pretty well. So if I scroll down to the TubeBuddy video analytics, you can see that I have over 1,000 views on this one video. So that means that my videos are actually doing pretty good. And I have gotten 7 likes. And looking over here, there's actually a best practice list here that you can use, and you don't even need to like pay for a pro membership or anything. Just downloading the extension will give you this stuff. And if you can see, I have a lot of comments too. Some of the best practices say to reply to comments and pin comments, heart comments, and seeing you guys reply actually makes my channel even better because I'm getting feedback, which also was one of the things like audience engagement, which I talked about previously in the video. So yeah, this is what TubeBuddy can do. It's really awesome, and it's just really helpful for your channel overall. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and gained something from this as well. And looking at my live subscriber count, last time I showed it, I like dipped below 700, but now I'm over 800, so that's good, yay. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video because I'm really close to my goal. I'm kind of staying stagnant around 850, 830-ish now. Keep staying in between. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you are already subscribed, please turn on the notifications and like this video. And look up for any other videos I have in the future. And if you really found this helpful, please share it with other people that you know, or share it with friends on social media, because I would really like this video to get noticed so people know how to get their channel noticed on YouTube as well. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video, and bye. Dun